What is going on, my party people? Hashtag Money Squad. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Mahalo, all of that good stuff. And as always, to my regular Hon.Hi that always stop to, all the good times, every time. Thank you. Mahalo, nui aloha, all of that good stuff. Yes, I do know Hawaiian. I've been here for a good little while, so yes, I do know some. And if you haven't checked out the Fan 313 Retro Queen, go over there and check our channel out. You feel me? McFly, KOF, and PMKICKZ, along with subscribe to our Who Has the Heat channel. I don't know how many times I gotta say it, but we're trying to get to 500. So y'all can do me that big favor. It will be greatly appreciated. Along with my other giveaway is gonna be at 7,500. And make sure y'all check out my feature channels. It always gonna flash across, right? My feature channels. You got Shoes Up, Sleeve Down in the building. You got Ash Cat doing her thing. She hit 10K. You got Jonah Vlogs. You got Pam Money in the building as well, and Melanie Sweet. So I'll check them all out. Got something for everybody, right? You feel me? Now, this shoe is kind of fitting because the sun is setting. So as you look at the shoe, you know this mostly do this with the Jordan 3s. Right, you do the half and a half thing here, so you can see you got the elephant print, you got the black, and you got the court purple. These joints were overseas release, PP personal pair, and as you can see, overseas releases don't have the price tag on it, but $190, of course, right? Black, court purple, cement gray. You see you got your QR code, RFD, and you see you got the tag UK10. Which is a US 11. All right, so just a little bit about that. And you got your stamp and ramp up there and your elephant print, court purple, which more so reminds you of the Phoenix Sun joint. Like I said, overseas release. I don't know, they be doing some crazy stuff about all of that. We're gonna give both of these shoes some shine. So we're gonna take both out of the box so we can see, do we have some QC issues? And bam, and bam. Take a look. Let's see. Get some buttocks, got some derriere, get some accolade action on these joints as well. So we can get it in here real nice, shine it up real nice, you know what I mean? All of that stuff. And man, every time I go outside, we got all this. We got the dogs barking, they're happy. We got emergency vehicles, all of that stuff. But as you can see, we get into it. We got the pop-out star, right? You got the court purple. You got the orange here hits on the shoe with the Jordan underneath the bottom. Coming around on the toe box. I kind of like this black actually hits pretty good with the elephant print, I guess, because of the black. The black kind of look like a mesh or flat black, I should say, instead of the shiny, kind of more like a flat black type material. And you see you got some wrinkle stanker there, perforated holes, real soft on the tongue. You got your Jordan, your Jumpman right there. As you can see, he all poofy, right? It's kind of pops out on the tongue. And you got some stanker wrinkle right there on the tongue, which is very well done. Like I said, coming on this side, you got more of the flat black. Not too bad. They're pretty good on the paint. As you can see, a little bit of mess up part, but for the most part, it is pretty good. Then you see you got the air unit, which is white. Then you turn around on the butt. You got the court purple. No Nike Air on the butt. That's all right. Can't put Nike on everything. You got to save it for some special occasion. So in this case, I don't think this is needed. You got the Air, more elephant print. And the tab, you don't have nothing in there, of course. So you got the purple around the ankle. Come around on the medial side, pretty much the same thing. Yeah, the leather on the upper is pretty good. Right here, pretty good all around. Normally I would think it's stiff, but the leather seems to be pretty consistent on this shoe. Right, Tinker Hatfield shoe. Pretty much the Jordan 3, right? Started Jordan with the dunk competition, as we know from the free throw line, right? And you coming inside. You see you got the purple hits in here inside of the tongue. You got the production date 5/12/20 to 5/27/20. You got it gray inside, of course, with the black laces. I might do a lace swap on these shoes. I don't know what lace swap, which I think I should go with purple or or should I go with orange to try to change it up a little bit? You see, you got the shoe tree, it says 11 to 11 and a half, and you got an orange insole, which is pretty good. So this one, black sock, you may can get away with it. Seems like it's already won't need too much of a sock bunny. It's so pretty much the same thing on this one. Stitching looks pretty good. Take a look inside on this one. Or the thing is covered, the Jumpman, but on this one you can see you got the Jumpman right there inside of the shoe. So yes, pretty clean shoe. Kind of remind me of the Toronto Raptors, but these look more like the Phoenix Suns colorway. Of course, it could be the Raptors, but yeah, I think it'll go. But like I said, it's just my opinion. Either way, both of them pretty much similar colorway, but remind me more of the Phoenix Sun. Now, with that being said, let's get on a little lit meter, shall we? Let's do a little quick look from behind, and let's see. On a 5, we'll give it about a 4.75 out of 5. 4.75 out of 5. This one is pretty good. Like the way it hits. Some people initially thought this was going to be the Laker colorway, but nope, not the Laker colorway. But the materials is pretty good on this shoe. So you leave a comment suggestion below. Let me know what you think about this overseas Europe exclusive. Was it a need? Was it on your radar? Just something just popped up and you just did a no look pass on these. Thanks for all the love and support. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up, like, subscribe, leave a comment, whether it's good or bad. I don't know, I don't care. I always respond. May take me a little longer than I used to, but I will respond. Other than that, have a great weekend. Watch some football. Be safe, stay blessed, and peace out.